Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss treatment. The Western treatments for fibromyalgia tries to ease symptoms and improve quality of life, but there is currently no known cure. However, the symptoms can be treated with both non-drug and medication-based treatments. No one treatment works for all symptoms. Therefore, the best results are achieved by using a combination of medication and lifestyle change. Medications can help reduce the symptoms such as pain, fatigue, and sleep disturbances, and to correct altered mechanisms underlying the disease, especially serotonin deficiency. Common choices include antidepressants, muscle relaxants, pain relievers, and anti-seizure drugs. Narcotic drugs are not advised because they can lead to dependence and may even worsen the pain over time. Non-drug treatments include education, a mixture of aerobic and strengthening exercises, cognitive behavioral therapy. They can improve functions and are highly effective in reducing the neurovegetative hyperactivity characterizing fibromyalgia. Most fibromyalgia patients tend to improve over time with a multidisciplinary approach, including patient education about fibromyalgia, self-management tools, low-impact exercise, start, start low, go slow, behavioral therapy, and pharmacological therapy. History and the physical examination for diagnosis of the fibromyalgia if needed to exclude treatable comorbidities, laboratory and/or radiological exams, referral to other specialists, for pain education and information sheet if insufficient effect. Physical therapy with individualized graded physical exercise can be combined with other recommended non-pharmacological therapies such as hydrotherapy and acupuncture. If insufficient effect, we can reassess of the patient to tailor individualized treatment. For additional individualized treatment, if the pain is related depression, anxiety, catastrophizing, overly passive or active coping, psychological therapies can be used, mainly cognitive behavioral therapy. For more severe depression or anxiety, consider psychopharmacological treatment. If the severe pain or sleep disturbance, pharmacotherapy can be used. This is severe pain, duloxetine, pregabalin, tramadol, or in combination with paracetamol. For severe sleep problems, low dose amitriptyline, cyclobenzaprine, or pregabalin at night. For severe disability or sick leave, you can use multimodal rehabilitation programs. Thank you for your attention.